Perfect. Perfect.
All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It is always time to make this money. Hopefully the audio is good. I do think it's good. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you that Bitcoin is driving us nuts. We show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms or pattern memorization. Bitcoin, I don't know Bitcoin. It comes down and it fakes everybody out. Bearish retest and it goes up. Just so crazy, so crazy. All right, guys, if you have a coin, let me know. If not, this is going to be a very, very quick show. I have a lot of research to do, and I know that I should be doing a long stream right now because we do, have more and more people getting onto crypto and everything else. I reserve an hour. However, right now I'm really, really heavy into my research today. Just kind of give you a heads up. Whenever days are slow, this is when you want to do research. This is when you want to buckle down on your trading. Well, not trading, but your charting so that you can trade. This is the time where you backtest all of your thought process. So right now, of course, we did a video on Bitcoin in the morning in reference to thought process. And, Bitcoin loves to just fake us out. If we come over here and we just look, Bitcoin, it created this level. Once it did this number, came back. Good Lord. Man, guys, I didn't get my sleep back. Ooh, this is going to bother me. 1 second. All right. My secret camera likes to echo, picks my voice. And then came right here, and we saw it right here. And sure enough, it broke below it. And we looked at some shorts today, and it's like, let's just get into a short, just why not? We've already missed a bunch of the move, but there was one that looked okay. I said, all right, let's get into it. There was another one that looked really good, but I don't want to push it. And I'm glad too, because as soon as we entered, of course, Bitcoin's looking great as far as a short. Bitcoin ends up doing this number, and we get stopped out in like 30 minutes, if not less. That's all right. Let's see here. Stress relief. What's up, buddy? See, it's a bull/bear trap. Sure, why not? Like, we don't know that there's going to be a bear trap until we have more price action goes up. Then yes, but then price action could also, you don't want to call it too soon, because price action could also do this and then create a lower, and then now it's no longer a bull trap. So we just need more price action. That's it. Let's see here. Let's see. Stress relief says, and you need sleep, dog. Every time I get on your live, you're always say that. Yeah, it's, dude, I'm trying to make people money. I'm really trying to make people money. And right now it's just real tough. But right now it is time to just do some more, just research. Well, I appreciate the love though. Appreciate that. See, we got some people in the house. We got Peter. We got Always Learning. We got Stress Relief. Appreciate you guys for being here. Thank you so much. Thank you for smashing the likes as well. Thank you for smashing the likes. And let's see. Do you have coins? Like I said, this can be an hour, and I would love for this to be an hour. I would so love for this to be an hour. Go over some charts, go over some coins, go over some thought process, go over, just learning stuff as far as, indicators or just anything when it comes to trading. Or this can be 10 minutes and I get back to my research. If there's nothing, because none of this is scripted. All of this is just Bitcoin. I should do, but okay. Let me look smart. Hold on. Because if I did all this crap, like, I can talk for hours. Let's go. We'll do this one. What else will we do? We'll do, I know we'll do that one too. Let's see here. So we'll do that one. Then we'll do this. That one, we'll do that one. Do this. Is this a new one? Probably. Oh, these are my old settings. Let's go this way. Okay. This way I can look smart, all right? And then I can talk about this for days. Do you need all this crap? No, you don't. But let's talk about it. All right, guys. So you can see right here, this is our, what's this? VRVP, but I forget, visible range volume profile. This is our visible range volume profile. You can see that right here, we have a lot of, you know, price ups and downs. You know, it's creating all these buys and sells. So because of this, you know, we do have our level right here. We do have a slight low volume node right here, a slight low volume node right here. But you can see that right here, we have a much larger low volume node. So once it breaks, that's all crap. It's all crap, guys. This right here is crap. But if I want to sound smart, Joe, get some sleep. You're cranky. Just give me a Snickers. But if I want to sound smart, oh wait, but look, if we break below here, we have a low volume node, big time. All this says is where there was prices going up and prices going down. But guess what? If I look over here, I can see that. Price is up and it stopped. Price is down and it stopped. Price is down and it stopped. I can see this stuff. I don't need this. But I can put it on here to make it look smart. I really can. Let's see here. What else can I make me look smart? We have indicators on the bottom. I don't use them, but we have indicators on the bottom. Here we do show zero divergence. We do show that the RSI is right around the 37. So, you know, we should have bought in the oversold bounce. Oh, this is baloney, guys. I really hope y'all don't listen to people that tell you about oversold bounces and stuff like that. Man, they're going to get you wrecked. Can you win? Yeah, definitely. But you'll see. You'll see. Anyway, moving on. The one thing that I do like about the, what indicator? I barely even use this. Lux Algo. The one thing that I do like about Lux Algo is it shows you the order blocks. That I like. Even though I already know they're there. Just because support resistance. But I don't know. It's just something about me. I like seeing that, the order blocks. Fair value gaps I can pretty much see already, but it is very helpful to see, you know, fair value gaps. And just because you have a fair value gap doesn't mean the price is going there. Nope, sure doesn't. So why even use it? Exactly. But if the price does go to that area, there's a really high probability that it might go to the fair value gap just because there's a lot of orders sitting right there. I mean, which makes sense because of the market makers. They want to fill those orders so that the exchange makes their money. So I do like fair value gaps. I do like the order blocks. I'm not gonna lie. This right here, joke. Okay, let's continue to look smart. Let's go to this one, the fixed range volume profile. Let's go from here to here. This tells us the range low. This tells us the, can't even see it, range high. And then this tells us the mid range. Okay. I can pretty much see that from right here. But I don't use the wicks though. I use the candle bodies. So we have range high, we have range low, and then we have mid range. Don't need this. But look how smart I look. I look really smart. I bet you if I had this stuff on my charts all the time, and I talked about this crap all the time, I'd have maybe 100 times more viewers. Yep. But my stuff is very simple. And I show you how to trade without all the complicated crap on your chart. But it's not sexy though. It's not sexy. This right here, sexy. This makes me look really smart. And if I talk about, you know, the POV, the POC, point of control, blah, 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 make me sound real smart, change of character. We have, you know, lower lows and higher highs. You know, all this makes me look smart. But it's just support resistance. That's it. In my opinion. Could I be wrong? Yeah, sure. All right. Moving on. Let's see here. Mark says, Joe, stop trying to be smart. Stop trying to be something you're not. Ooh, ouch. Mark, with the truth. Mark said, Joe, stop all that nonsense. All right. What the heck? Oh, Let me delete this crap. All right. What are we doing? What just happened? Okay, so let's see. Mark says, Injective, giving us an Adam and Eve on the 1 hour. May give 10-15% move. Oof. Well, let's see. I don't think I have Injective up here. Let's go to one that doesn't have a lot of stuff. Oh, that's what this one do. Okay. Let's see here. Let's go to YouTube so we don't show any of my charts on the VIP. And let's go to INJ USDT. Okay. It said 1 hour. Ouch, that's ugly. Ugh. That's really ugly. So what's being said is this is your Adam, ugly. This is your Eve, ugly. If you put this in a group, they'll commend you for it. They'll be like, man, that's great. Great. It's ugly. I think I do need some sleep. Good Lord. Look, I'll make it simple. Boom. Done. No Adam and Eve. No, what else can you call this? I don't know what else you can call this. Look at that. Keep it simple. Keep it absolutely simple. Right now it broke out. Great. 30-minute time frame. Ooh. Man, it's this market though, man. It's this market. This market is making it tough. Could you enter this? Let's go to let's zoom out. Let's just zoom out. Let's zoom out. Okay, so we have a big time resistance right here. Big time resistance right here. For me, I would not mess with this one. Like, okay, so you said about 10%. You're spot on. You're spot on. 11, 12%. I'm trying to think. Is it even worth it? Is it even worth it? And the reason I'm saying that is because you could get your 10% and then it just dump because of the market. That's a tough one. I mean, good catch on the break of that neckline. Let's go to a 1 hour time frame. Too high risk, man. I mean, it's your money, but I treat your money like my money. We still have, this one just started too. It just broke out. I mean, there's nothing bullish I see on this chart in reference to possible divergence. Now, I don't trade divergence, but I know people trade divergence, and I know that's what they look for. I'm not sure if there was any news on this. I know it's a good project. I know it's going to make money. You know, so if you were just going to buy it for a long-term investment, yes, definitely. Right now is a great time. But if you're just buying it to trade, man. Dang it. I hate that. I need to sleep. If you're buying, man, see, I was going to say a stop loss, but I mean, even not, it's the risk to reward isn't there. So for me, because the risk to reward isn't there, I would stop trying to force this. I'm trying to force this trade for you. I would stop trying to force this trade, and I would just set an alert up here. You miss 15%, so what? It's safer. It's safer. I would set an alert right here. That's what I do. Could you enter right now? Sure, you could. I wouldn't. The risk to reward isn't there for me. Big time stuff. All right. Mark's like, man, Joe, you suck. Sorry. Just letting you know. Hey, everybody. Take a look at TRON. I'm doing good on it. Okay. We were looking at TRON earlier. We entered that one yesterday. But today, when we were looking at it, I was looking at it as a possible short, but it had to cross a certain level. Ooh, let's see. TRON's not looking strong. It was when we entered it. I think we entered it over here, and then again over here. And as it's going up, it's good. It's looking strong, but it could make a lower high, which it did, and now it's coming down. So right now, it has to remain above this level. It has to remain above this level. Once it breaks that level, let's show this to you. Once it breaks that level, it could return into this zone. So, we had the breakout looking good, retest, perfect. Breakout or pump, good. Pullback, not bad. Pullback, okay. Break of this trend line, which is good. Higher high, which is good. Came back down, retested this level, which is really good, making it support, which is really, really great. Then we did a lower high. I was really wanting for the price action to come up, at least give us a little bit more. But then everybody was seeing, oh, there's a shoulder, head, shoulder. And so, they like to, pattern traders, they love to force, it's if you were to go with the pattern trader outside and look at a cloud, they will tell you, oh, that looks like this and this. And you're like, no, it looks like a straight circle. No, it looks like a this and this. Because look, squint your eyes, tilt your head, like, oh yeah, I think I see it. Okay, that's pattern traders. I don't do pattern trading. I used to a long time ago, but they give you false sense of hope, false sense of security, and I lost a lot. Now, granted, I did win a lot. My favorite ones were inverse head and shoulders. I still like those, but I don't trade them because, of course, I just trade support resistance, inverse head and shoulders, and cup and handles. But when you think about it, all it is a neckline. That's it. All right, moving on. Okay, so right now it's not looking too hot. It needs to break this level for us to continue the momentum. When it bounced here, that was good. It did a nice bounce. We re-entered the trade, and it lost its steam. And now it's coming down. If it breaks this level, so, okay, let me look smart again. If you come over here, you're going to see that there's a low volume node right here, which is right here. How can you tell that? Well, look, price, there's no ups and downs here. It just went straight up. Same thing here. There's no ups and downs. It just went straight back up. So there's no support resistance levels that you can go. So if you want to look smart, you can have this on. But if you want to be smart, well, I would say don't have them on, but I'm not smart. I just know how to trade. So this is your low volume node. You don't need that unless you want to look smart, then go for it. But this is low volume node. So if the price action breaks below this, there's really nothing to stop it from going lower, because this is where all your support resistance levels are at, right here. This you have a nice gap. Now, could it find support here? Yes, 100%. 100%. We're trading against people. So as the price comes down, they may say, hey, you know what? I want to buy it up. And then it comes up, creating now a new level of support. So once again, we're always looking to the left to look for prior support resistance, but we always know that we're trading against people and anything can happen, anything can change. So just kind of give you a heads up on that. If it does come over here, hopefully it finds support before it either goes up or, depending on the market, depending on people, comes down. And that's one thing that I used to hate when I first started, was I want to know if it's going to go up or down, period. And nobody would explain all this stuff that I just explained. Nobody. They would just, oh, well, Joe, you know, look for divergence, look for volume, let volume be your guide. Get out of here, man. Let volume be your guide. Anyway, I got a lot of stuff to say about that. But, so this one, we just got to be real careful. Like, it was looking good. That's why we set it up. But right now, since more time has passed, now more candles have printed, and now we created this resistance. Or rather, this resistance was created. All right. Good stuff. Smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes. Give me coins. Give me coins. I want to do your coins. I want to do your coins. Let's see here. Let's see. PRB is playing nice. Let's see. PRB. Do we have that one? Let's see. YouTube rapid fire. YouTube rapid fire. No, it did it. Okay. So ton, let's go and put this one. Let's put it again. So it's new one. And then PBR, I think it is. PBR. Oof. Oh man, we were looking at this one. We were looking at this one. It pumped. I said, man, I'm not even looking at this one. Just because of the pump factor. It should have come back down. And nope. It just keeps on going. A good area, the woulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda, would have been right here to set your alert. And then just wait for it. Man, this one pumps so hard already, though. Could it continue pumping? Yeah. Let's go to the break of this level. Could it continue? Yeah. Man. And I was looking at that one too. POLS and PBR. And I picked POLS. Nobody knows though. Nobody knows. All right. Okay. So what I would do on this, 1 hour, 30 minutes, I would have a lower bid right here. And man, but I just fear these because everybody can dump on you. Everybody who was accumulating here, everybody who bought here, everybody who bought here, everybody who bought here, everybody who bought here can dump on you. I'd have a lower bid here. And still have 40 minutes to go in this hour time frame. Several things could happen. One, the retracement coming down, more likely hitting our stuff, coming up, making a higher low, and then moving again. Or it just goes from here. I would think that it would come down, but I was wrong last time too. Because I think it had moved up here. Now that I'm thinking about it, it's like, man, would I have entered there? I still don't think I would have. Let's do this. Swing low to swing high. Golden pocket. If I was looking at this, maybe I might have, but I don't know. But if y'all want to, again, not financial advice, I would, oh man, 25% now, 75% down here. And then if it does go up, then cancel this one and then just enter it here. That's what I would do. Any other coins, guys? Any other coins? If not, forever hold your peace. Lower entry. I should keep these fairly long so I can get more viewers and stuff, more subscribers. But I have nothing planned. It's whatever coins y'all give me. If y'all don't give me coins, be doing my stories. You know me, and I got my stories. I got my stories. Let's see. Moving ton. Let's do this one. PRB. Let's see. X end. Never heard of that one. X end. Oh, it's RWA. RWA. XN. Okay. XN finance. This one. Okay. Okay, so it had a dump. Looks like it found support. 4 hour. Looks like it's bouncing off of support. What is the price range tool say? What is the price range tool? Oof. It's I mean, I would like to enter now because it's at the bottom, but it can continue coming down. You know what? I would do stop loss here. I know 16%. It's crazy high, but we're only entering 50%. We're only in, so basically it's like losing what is that, 8%? So 50% entry at current price. And then my next level would be the break of this, so that, let's say it does this. So what I would do, enter right now, current price. And then I would enter 50% once it breaks this level. So somewhere about here. Now, very important though, very important. Do not set an order right now that the price is lower. Do not set an order for a higher price. And because as soon as you put that order in, it will get filled and you will automatically be at a huge loss. When you put the orders underneath it, nobody's selling at that price, so you cannot buy it. So it's a bid, it's a lower entry. When you put a price higher than the current price, you have a bunch of sellers selling it at a higher price. So you will automatically get that entry. So that's very important. Very important. So just kind of give you a heads up. Whenever that happens, just make sure to always have it lower. So this is for, so when I do my video editing, so I could go back about 30 seconds to about 2 minutes in reference to don't put in a higher price. So just kind of give you a heads up on that. All right, very good. Let's see here. So we did, oh, it was this one. Dang it. So it was this one. All right. Recap. Okay, I think I got it correct. Okay. So recap on hello. Sure. Yeah, let's go and put the timer on. You guys are like, man, Joe, you suck. You old, Joe. You can go take a nap. 5 minutes. 5-minute timer. All right. What are we doing? Watch list. But am I going to take a nap? Nope. I have too much work, guys. I wish I could. Before I had the group, sure, I'd go take a nap right now. Boom. I'd take a nap on the live stream. It's like, good night. But now I got to make y'all money. Or at least try to save y'all money. Oof, ouch. Ouch. Let's go to... Hello. Oh, this is my coin. This is the coin, this is the coin for the Shark Tank for crypto, right? Let me know. If it is, I'm very bullish on this. Now, granted, I'm not gonna put a whole bunch of money in it, but you know they're gonna get a deal with, you know, whether it's what are all those? I can't think. I don't watch them anyway. But those shows, those Netflix, like Netflix and also their shows, you know they're gonna get picked up by them. And especially in the bull market, man, you better believe they're gonna get picked up by them. You know, maybe even Amazon Originals, or I don't know how they do any of that stuff. But in my opinion, I think that this one could easily, I don't know what the market cap is, I'm sure it's really low, 10x. It's 46, so possible. Man, it must suck. It must really suck to watch my channel. Like, yeah, man, this guy, like, he's really good at TA, but man, he'd be sleeping all the time. So would I enter right now? No, I would wait. Break of this level. And this level is right around that price. And then to enter. Would I add to my entry right now? Nope, sure wouldn't do that either. Because it can continue dumping. You know, we have maybe, like, let's see how next week goes, guys. Let's see how next week goes. The rest of this week and possibly next week to see if the market starts getting bullish. If not, you know, continues going down. If it does, it's okay. It's okay. This is what we've been planning for months. We've been planning for months. So just give you a heads up. Countdown. So that. Scroll the message. Okay. So just give you a heads up. All right. It's like the worst show ever, dude. Man. Sorry, guys. Yeah, that's why I should do it without my camera. So I can be yawning. Without y'all seeing, like, man, Joe sounds very energetic. He's wide awake today. In the background, I'm yawning and everything. Got my pillow, my little blanket. Nope. Got this dumb camera on. But that's what I'll do. I wait for the break of this level to either possibly enter. But this is more like a longer term hold. Because like I said, Netflix, if they get a hold of this, it'll be good. It'll be really good. Netflix, any kind of other, any network, really. And you know they will because of crypto. And not only that, but they have the, now if they had, you know, people that had 5,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, chances are it won't do so hot as far as getting picked up. But if you have the people that are on that show, if you have that amount of subscribers, they're going to want to pick up your show. I mean, just, they are. All right, we got 30 seconds, guys. 30 seconds. See if there's anything else. Nope, there's nothing else. All right, guys. Well, Well, as much as I would love to take a nap, I have to get back to my research. But I can yawn all I want because there's no camera on me. All right, guys. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Greatly appreciate it. I apologize for the very poor, just today was a bad show. I'd let you know that right now. It was a bad show. I probably shouldn't have even gone live, but it's all right. Hopefully I will make it up to you. Hopefully I'll make it up to you. I do thank you guys so much. Appreciate you. And let's go ahead and get some music on. DJ, let's play some music for about 10 seconds.